Okay, welcome to our tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to create a simple project on Arduino. Uh, it's about the LED and a push button. So start, we need to create a circuit, and we're going to name this LED and a push button. Okay, our our first part is the Arduino Uno. Okay, this one, the Arduino Uno itself, and we're gonna need a breadboard. So we're gonna choose breadboard, and we're gonna pick this small breadboard mini. So okay, we're gonna place it right there, and we're going to add another one. Okay, and then we're gonna search for a button. Okay, this button right here, and then another one is a resistor. So in this tutorial, we're going to need a 1K arms resistor. So this is the 1K arms resistor. We're gonna need to this. Okay. Okay. The first placement is we're going to put the the resistor, and to we're going to flip this. Okay, I'm gonna put this to line 4 and 8. And then the push button is we're gonna put this on uh, this part right here, line 8 and line 10, the pin. And then we're gonna need to put this on around, hold on, let me check. It's right, we're gonna count from 1 2 3 4 5. So 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5, and then we're gonna put this on the third. So we're gonna need another component, the LED. So the LED is going to put here. Okay, it's gonna leave that as color red. So okay, and next is we're gonna put on GND to line 8. Under this one is gonna change this to color um blue, and we're gonna need another line uh jump wire. So we're gonna create that as a set that on yellow, and put that on D3 and 13. So a stylus, and then I put that on 13 right there. Okay, the next we're gonna from hold on, change this the jump wire to green. So we're gonna put that on number 2, and then we're gonna put that on 8, this okay, third contacts. Okay, and then we're gonna add another color. This is for blue, and we're gonna put this on the G and D, and then we're gonna put that on line 4, line 4F contact. Okay, so the last one is the color red, so we're gonna put that on on the 5 volts, and we're gonna put that on um 10A. All right, so we're gonna check it. Okay, so what happened here? If you press the simulation, so what happened is when you press the button, basically, if this is a real life project, so by the default, the LED, the LED, the LED light is turned on, but if you push the button, it's going to be turned off. So, okay, this is how to build a LED and a push button. Okay, so we're gonna jump into that. So if you want to see the code on this mini project on Arduino Uno, just press the code, and then by default this is on the block. So this is the block, and then we're going to, like, if it's working, it's show the simulation here. So we're gonna switch this to code. Okay, so on code, using Arduino IDE for coding the Arduino board itself, is you need to learn the programming language that is the C++. So if you look at this code, the board setup, this is with a empty parameter, and you're going on the curly bracket. This is the right here pin mode LED built-in output. So in the loop with the open parameter, so you need to write the digital write build bulletin, built-in high. So what happened here is it's going to delay for the 1000 is 1 seconds. So you're gonna do it 1000 milliseconds. That would be 1000. That would be a 1 minute. So digital write LED built-in low. So this is the delay for the low output. So it would be a delay for 1 seconds. 1 second. 1 second. Okay. And then if you look for the, hold on, let me check the, okay, this is the schematic diagram. So I'm going to show you the schematic diagram. So okay, this is the Arduino board. So what happened here is, let me see. So the connection from the we're going to start with the 5 volt. So the 5 volt is going to the breadboard. This is on the to turn on the connection to the breadboard. It's the uh, okay. Hold on, let me check. Okay, if you want to see the schematic diagram, this is the schematic diagram on the Arduino Tinkercad. So you can see here how the schematic work on the Arduino Uno to the LED to the 1K resistor, 1K resistor, then another. This is the S1, U, GND2, GND, P1 to 5 volts. So this is the schematic diagram of the component works. Okay, if you look at the dashboard on the upper right, if you click this one, the component list, we have the U1 is stands for Arduino Uno. The S1 is the push button. So R1, R2 is the 1K resistor, and then the D1 is the red LED. So it says that you can create your own mini project based on this schematic diagram. Okay, we're going to create this in the future tutorial on the actual, and then create a we're gonna create a code for this, but I'm gonna show you how to code this on the Arduino IDE. Okay, if you open your Arduino IDE and you click on the open it, and then you're gonna see there's two void, the void setup and the void loop. So the void setup is you're gonna put the code to run. So the loop is put your code here to run repeatedly. So based on the the components that we created, so I'm going to show you the code for this project. So on the gonna create, this is a C++ programming. So if you're new to the Arduino, you should know about the C++ programming. So first is you're gonna create a constant. Integer is the button. Be careful for typing. So constant integer sled is for the button. So 3, and then integer for button state is equal to 0. Okay. Okay, right. So in the next is we're gonna delete this one, and then so the pin mode, so button, and then input semicolon, or let's put semicolon. Okay, pin mode. So this way of typing this is called the camel casing. So let the output. Okay, in the loop, so you need to call for the variable of button. So button state is equal to digital read. So if you click the button, it's gonna prompt turn off. So you're gonna put a if condition. So the condition is button state is equal to high. Okay, if you're gonna put another the curly bracket, so digital right, let high. So else, so if doesn't work, so we're gonna the loop is gonna the condition is gonna check the else statement. So digital right, LED low. Okay, okay, okay. This is the code for. I'm gonna put another comment here. So LED is off when button is pressed opposite effect. Okay, so you can you can buy your own Adreno parts on Amazon, or you can direct on buying the Adreno parts on the Adreno store. Okay, this is the Adreno store. So we're living on Southeast Asia. So I'm currently located in the Philippines. Okay. Yeah, like you click on the Adreno and you check this out. This is for $27. The original parts for the Adreno, and then you can check in the website the specs. This is the specs. This is uh USB-C, and then this pin is digital pin I/O pins. It have 14 pins, and this is analog input pins that have 6, and so on and so forth. And this is the circuit operating voltage is 5 volt ASP 32 S23. Okay, the RAM is R A4 M1. This is 256 KB flash, 32 KB RAM. So, and then you can also check the documentation. Okay, this is the documentation. This is the different type of Adreno, Adreno Cloud, and Maker Plan. So if you check on another product, example robotics, if you're going to create a robotics part, so they have the Adreno Nano, a different type of Adreno Nano, Adreno Uno R4. This is uh, a little bit faster than R3. This is Adreno MKR lot carrier, Rev 2. So on the website, on the Adreno, you can also the education. For example, you want to learn. Okay, do you want to learn about Adreno parts? Gonna check on the website about. Let's click on education. Let's check on education. We have a documentation. Let's look for the documentation. Okay, let's check for the K to 12. Okay, they have a different Adreno Alvic robot, Science Kit R3, Science Journal, the student kit. This is for the student kit with the tester. Okay, this is another starter pack. You can also have a certification. So you can also check for courses. So see the documentation. Okay, they have the documentation here. For example, we'll look for, like example, this one, edge control. So you can also learn here about the schematics. Okay, this is a lot fun to learn and start your career on Adreno, working on the bigger company in the future, like working on the Apple Tech, um, any other, like any cell phone provider, computer provider. If you know how the schematic work of circuit board or and the components part, you can um, learn from Arduino as a beginner step-by-step guide. So I hope you learn from this tutorial. So thank you for watching, and I'm gonna stop from here and create more next time. So like, follow the Facebook page, Programming with Ken, and my YouTube channel is Programming with Ken. So thank you so much, and bye bye.